What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Choraka Lifestyle here. So, guys, welcome to a chit chat video. I really want to do a sit down video right now. However, you guys, I'm testing my mic right now. My Boya mic, Boya Link. Yes, that's the name of the mic, Boya Link mic. I'm testing it right now. Let me know in the comment section if the audio quality is actually okay. So please, I would love to know hear from your comments. Okay, so guys, like I said, it's a chit chat video and I want to really do my makeup. However, I want to actually um film play content right now, hence me doing my makeup. So I was like, okay, let me just carry you guys along while we gist, because you guys, I have gist and I don't want to put it in a vlog so that it will not be too long. Okay, so let me start my makeup because it's already almost 12:30 and I need to film play sit down content before my children will come out from school. So let's just say today is batch filming day, and let's start. So the first I'm going to apply is actually my primer. I'm not really a makeup person like that, but this is my primer here, you guys. um I'm not really a makeup person, but might just do something small for my face. So you guys, my children's school, honestly, they are very annoying, to be honest. Like, they are very annoying. Like, these days they are beginning to annoy me, because tell me why, you know why you be telling students to be plaiting their hair every week. People see my bros is not making sense, you guys. And as I was saying, so tell me why you be telling these children to making their hair every week. I find it quite annoying, and I find it, yeah, very stressful. I know the guys, one of my vlogs, that they sent Zara, like they stood her outside just because she did not really plait the school hairstyle, right? So since then she has been plaiting the hair. But like I said, I don't know why they keep telling these children to plait their hair every week. Other schools, I got to discover that they are plaiting their hair every two weeks. And then their school is saying that they don't allow this thing, they don't allow plaiting hair every fortnightly, which is every 2 weeks. Please, why? They think say parents dey jobless abi na wetin? Do they think I'm jobless? Because I don't understand. This last week Friday, you guys, I forgot to lose Zara's hair because I was so busy. I went to Ojota to go get some things. I went to Ikeja to go, get microphone. Like, I was literally busy. My husband was busy. Chidima was busy. I still went to work. Like, nobody remembered to even lose Zara's hair. And you guys, that's how it happens to me every week. So we got the power say why they would say make children they plait hair every week. So, and the fact that you guys, our own hair is even expensive because it's a short, the hair is very short. In Lagos here, they do charge very high for kids that have short hair. And the fact that Zara used to cry whenever they are plaiting her hair, all those ones said follow for charges. This makeup, why they do like this? I want to use it and film content. And not to say the content, I have filmed this content before, you guys. I have literally filmed this content, but because the audio, the noise from the background was just a lot. That was when there was no mic. But all this while I've been filming my sit down videos, I don't used to use mic. What I do is that I go to CapCut and I turn off or turn on the noise reduction. You understand? Now, only for me to come there, I did video last week. I want to turn off reduction. I want to say CapCut don't off. I don't monetize their reduce noise pro that they've converted it to pro. I want mad that day. Like the video that I was is it for? It's okay, 3 sit down video that I wanted to edit last week. It was just the noise from the background was just a lot. I'm like, I want to do this thing now. Should I edit this thing like that? It's like it doesn't really just really make sense to me. I say no, I'm not fit to even go put out this video like that. But that's why I delete that video and then get a mic urgently and refilm the video. You understand? Because I just couldn't, you guys. So that's why I had to watch to on Friday. I had to watch together last week Friday. Get in mind so that I can actually, you know, refilm the video. Free content too. It's not easy. This content creation work. Sometimes I say, who send me work? Oh? Like who send me? Who sent me? I have filmed this content before. Now I want to refilm them again. Not because say na CapCut. To say CapCut now, not of that thing now. I for don, like reduce the thing for background. But then they don't now say they don't offer. The thing I go do. I have to, in fact, I haven't deleted the videos. I have deleted it and I want to film the content again. Content creation not dey easy o. Abeg, people that are watching us, please support us. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes that the viewers does not even know 1/8 or 1/4 of it. A lot goes on behind the scenes. So as a viewer or you viewers that are watching content creators, please support us. Support content creators. Sometimes when we film videos like this and there is no audio, like you just want to cry. That thing has happened to me a lot. That's why when I'm done filming the content, or before I start, I always make sure that there is audio before I start my recording. So now the matter why I did like this, so 3 videos that I did sometime in February, and I want to edit it last week. The noise from the background was just a lot, and now I want to really, refilm. Oh my god, this thing don't break. Oh, shit. This is not the last at all. It doesn't last. So guys, now the matter why I did like this now. Now the matter why I did like this, but then I'm not. Even if I complain, now me go tired now because because I no get choice than to refilm this content. I'm so excited that I did my brows, because imagine me in after makeup not drawing brows. Like that thing can be so annoying and very, very stressful, and me, I didn't even do it very well. So I'm done my makeup right now. I did not draw brows. My brows is just permanent. Like, how about that? So I've done my makeup, you guys. Nothing serious. Just apply a little bit of foundation and the loose powder. So I need to start filming that content right away, because now 3 content I be 4 content I want film right now. I was supposed to be doing like taking care of my accounting for my business. Now I'm needing to film videos. Anyway, I'll still do that today, I'll still do it today. CapCut, this thing is too expensive. It's too expensive. Every month 9,000 naira. 9,000 naira every month. If you want to do a year, 72,000 naira. Who I want to even share now? Say that's the thing. I don't know if I want to share it. It's just super expensive, you guys. I feel like my front hair is bad. This hair, I remember it's never reached 2 weeks. So now I come like say it don't dey rough. Look, I wear this thing. Oh, this is actually okay, right, you guys? Like this, okay. What do you guys think? Now water be that today for my hair being everything. You guys, what do you think? How is this beauty? How is this beauty, you guys? A girl is pretty, you. A girl is pretty. So guys, let's start. Let me quickly apply a little bit of lip gloss. Love this particular lip gloss. The moment you apply it like this, my lips will just change. Shall I try for my makeup like this? You guys, did I try with this my makeup? And what about sit down videos? That sit down videos, you have to be changing tops, be clothes. Like now, I'm not really tying wrapper on my down, but I'm putting on the short knicker. But sometimes I used to tie wrapper, like nobody's gonna know, okay? Nobody's gonna know what's going down here, okay? Only the up. Just focus on the up and the background, okay? Okay, guys. How do I look? How do I look? So I feel like this get ready with me. I'm actually done with it. Let me do a thumbnail, you guys. So is it okay? This thumbnail will be say sorry, make person do like it. I don't know, so Okay guys, so I'm done with this makeup. Everything is on point right now. Makeup is on point, top is on point, face is on point, camera on point, everything is set, and let's get the video ready. So guys, let me know what you think about this chit chat, what I talked about, the school thing, the content creation thing. Content creation is so hard though, very good, but I love it. You guys, I love content creation. I don't know why, but I just love it. Like, I love the setting up thing, even though it's the behind the scene is always so stressful. Is But I love it. I know that sometimes we used to complain, but I love the setup. Like this, before I even started this thing, now I had to make sure that my setup was ready, mic was ready, light was ready, and you know, before I went to had my bath, you understand. And now I'm out. I want to, start filming right now. Let me quickly just put on my accessories because we got to look pink when we are filming and sit down videos, because the thing is that as people are watching, their eyes are literally what's focusing on the what content creator. So I'm ready right now, and let's start this content. Let's film this video. I have like 1 hour to film this video, 3 or 4 videos right now. Anyway, and meanwhile I'm doing intermittent fasting. No, na empty belly and the kind they do all this thing. I'll talk to you guys later. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you enjoyed this chit chat, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay fabulous, stay joyful. My kids.